Hey Bryan, this is Eric from Web Ethics Solutions, and I wanted to give you a free website review today to show you how we can help improve your website. So let's get right into it. Okay, Bryan, the first thing I noticed about your website is when I go to the phone number here and I scroll over it, um, excuse me, if you look at the bottom left hand side of your corner, it actually goes left side of your screen, it goes to a contact page. Now what you want is you want this number to go to be click to call. So when someone clicks this number, either their Skype or their FaceTime or whatever their default caller is on the computer, but they'll be actually able to call you right from their computer. And that's just going to make it easier for clients to do business with you. Okay, so you definitely want that. So let me show you what I mean. This is one of our client websites. If I scroll over this number, if you look on the bottom left hand side of your screen, you'll see the telephone number shows up. If I were to click this, my Skype will show up and I'll be able to reach out to this business. Same thing here with another one of our client websites. You scroll over this number, again, you see on the bottom left hand screen that the number comes up. I'll be able to click on this and I can call them via Skype. All right. Second thing I noticed about your website, Bryan, is when I scroll down, the header doesn't come with me. And the problem with that is when I come to your site, that means I have to scroll all the way up to go to each page. Now you want to make your website as user friendly as possible. Okay. And I know it doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is, right? You have what 5 to 10 seconds to get somebody's attention. So people are lazy also. So you see here, look at this header. As I scroll down, right? If I want to go to the About Me page, it's right here. Service and capabilities page, career contact. Whatever page I want to go to, it's right there. I don't have to scroll all the way up to go to the next page. Again, that's just making it user friendly for the potential prospect or customer that comes to your website. And again, if you want to look at this website, you see the header here. As I scroll down, the header comes with me and I can just go to whichever page I want to without having to scroll all the way back up. Okay. Second thing I noticed, Bryan, is you don't have a live map on your website, on your homepage in particular. I'm not sure if you have an office or not, or if you're working from home. But if you do have an office address, I would highly recommend putting a live map on your website. And that's something we can do for you. So let me show you what I mean. This is a live map. You have a live map with some Google reviews, or if you can get some of your past clients to leave a Google review for you, that's going to help you in the ranking of the SEO. So if someone were to go to your area and type in custom home building, you are more likely to come up at the top of the Google search because Google puts their reviews at the top of the search engine as a priority, and then you have a Google map attached to your website, right, which is going to help you in the ranking. So that's definitely something that you want to do, okay? Or we can help you do. Let's see here. And then this headline here, I would center this. It looks weird just being off to the left. So if you look at this headline, right, see it's nice and centered. Anytime you have a headline you want to center, it would look weird if this headline was off to the left, right? You can see these headlines here, nice and centered. This would look weird if we put this off to the left. You want everything to be centered and line up, okay? So that's something that we could definitely fix for you. All right, let's go to your About page. On your About page, the first thing I noticed is this subheader is way too big. We can make this smaller so it doesn't take up much space. Again, you want your pages to be nice and neat and tight, right? So if you look at this, any of these subheaders here, they're not overly big. I mean, this one is a little bit big because of the text, but here, this should be smaller. This text is not as big as this text here. So it shouldn't be as wide. This could be maybe like a third of the size that it is. Okay, so that's something we would fix for you here. Let's go to the next page here. Okay, the thing I noticed about this text is this page is text is a little clogged. We could have broke this up into two paragraphs at least, and then this empty white space here, and then this picture needs to be centered. It's kind of random off to the right. So these are usually issues that we have with MoPro websites because they use a template. It's basically copy and paste, plug and play. So they can't even really fix it even if they wanted to, right? So if you look at these websites, you can see here that there's no white empty spaces, like big white. There's a little, but there's no big white empty spaces, right? The texts are nice and neat. See here, text nice and neat, and all the spaces used um, efficiently and effectively. Okay, so if you go to this page here, see headline, nice text, no wide empty white gaps, some white space, but it's not glaring like it usually is for the MoPro websites. And again, you see here how the text is used, lined up, no empty white gaps, right? Big white empty gaps. So that's something we can definitely fix. Okay, let's go to the next thing. And then this blog. Here's the first thing about the blog, Bryan. Number one, you haven't touched this blog. You never posted a blog, right? This is a MoPro promotion basically that you're giving them for free, and it hasn't been touched since 2015. So we can definitely just get rid of this page. It's not even needed. And number two, you're not a blogger, right? You don't make money off of blog posts. So this page wasn't even needed from the beginning. You make money when people call you and they tell you that they want you to build a custom home built, right? So you make your money when people call you. So you don't make money when you blog. So the whole point of your website is to direct people to call you. Okay, so that's something that we would just get rid of altogether for you. Okay, Bryan. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.